guys, welcome to LegalEdge after college. My name is Arpita and today we are going to discuss about a very important legal position in National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development, commonly known as NABARD. So, what is this vacancy? How can you become a legal officer in NABARD? We are going to discuss all of it in today's video. So, to become a NABARD legal officer, the qualification for that is bachelor's degree in law recognized by Bar Council of India and for the purpose of enrollment, which means that a candidate needs to have a bachelor's degree, a LLB or BA LLB degree from a recognized university, which in turn will be used for the purpose of enrollment as an advocate with minimum marks, minimum 50% marks. For unreserved category, the minimum qualification is minimum 50% marks in your bachelor's degree. And for reserved category, for SC and ST applicants, the minimum marks is 45%. And if you have done your LLM, then you need to qualify that by 45% of aggregate marks, which means that you need to qualify for, you need to get 45% in your LLM degree to qualify for this exam. For reserved category, it is 40%. Now, the tentative schedule for this exam. So usually the notification of this exam is out by August and September. So by August or September, you will get the notification of this exam. The number of vacancies depend from year to year, and within 1 month of notification, the preliminary exam is scheduled. Within 1 month of preliminary examination, the mains examination is scheduled. And after 45 to 60 days, interview is scheduled. So this is how the exam schedule works. So the exam is divided into three parts. The first part is preliminary examination. Phase 2 is mains examination and phase 3 is interview. So phase 1 preliminary examination is completely MCQ based, right? So MCQ questions are generally easier. Why? Because all you have to do is recognize the correct answer from the given options. Phase 2 consists of MCQ as well as mains examination, as well as descriptive answers. And phase 3 is interview. It is viva voce, which will be based on one-on-one interaction. So the syllabus of phase 1. So phase 1, which is preliminary examination, consists of 200 marks and the paper goes on for 2 hours. This paper is just qualifying paper. Your merit will not be decided on the basis of this paper. So the MCQs will be asked from quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability, computer knowledge, English, decision making, general awareness relating to banking industry, economic and social issues, agriculture and rural development. These are the subjects which you need to learn for your preliminary examination. I am again emphasizing on the fact that this is just a qualifying examination. And let me tell you, from the previous year question, from the previous trends, we can say that out of these 200 marks, the total passing marks, the cutoff basically is somewhere around 85 to 90 marks. Yes. So by getting 85 to 90 marks, you can qualify for mains examination. Now coming to mains examination, the mains examination is divided into two parts, paper 1 and paper 2. The paper 1 is general English, which is of descriptive nature, which means subjective questions will be asked and you will need to write those questions down. Now, this paper will be based on general English and not law. So you don't need to mug up the laws so to write answers for them, because the law paper is again MCQ based paper. This paper is descriptive and it will only test your writing skills, general knowledge, and essay writing, pressy writing, and comprehension. That is all it is going to test. The paper 2 is of 90 minutes and 100 marks, and the paper 2 is based on MCQ pattern, and this paper will test your ability, will test your legal knowledge. So the syllabus is, you can write it down. Constitution of India, Indian Contract Act, Partnership Act, Companies Act, CPC, Transfer of Property Act, Sale of Goods Act, Industrial Dispute Act, Trade Unions Act, Arbitration and Conciliation Act, Negotiable Instrument Act, Indian Easement Act, Specific Relief Act, Indian Succession Act, Hindu Succession Act, Information Technology Act, RTI, and SURFACE. These are the subjects which you need to learn in order to qualify for the in order to clear mains examination paper 2. The interview will be of 25 marks. So the total marks uh, by which the merit list will be decided will be 225. And usually, out of these 225 marks, the usual cutoff is somewhere around 150 to 160 marks. So if you are getting 150 to 160 marks in your examination, then that is a safe score. You need to score more than 150 marks in order to be selected as a NABARD legal officer. So this was all about NABARD legal officer. We will discuss the salary, the perks and allowances of this position in another video. And if you want that video, do let me know in the comment box. Also, please like, share and subscribe to our channel because we come up with so much information for you to decide your career path. So happy learning, guys, and take care.